Hey, my name is Bailey Weiser. I'm the owner of Hell Jude Photography, a North Georgia newborn and family photography studio, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to give you the grand tour of my brand new studio that we opened up in downtown Demorest, Georgia. We've put a lot of hard work and time and effort into creating a beautiful space for my clients, and I'm really excited to show you what we've created. So, let's dive in. So when we first walked into this space a little over 2.5 months ago, it needed some love. I saw immediately the vision for what I had in mind, and I knew that it would take a lot of work and a lot of money and a lot of time, but my husband and I worked pretty diligently to get this complete. We still have a couple little things like touching up some paint on some trim and adding some toe molding in some places. But for the most part, we are like 97% complete. And we took this thing down to the bones. I mean, we took the ceiling down, we put up a brand new beadboard ceiling, we did all new lighting, sheetrocked some walls, we completely renovated the entire bathroom, took it down to the studs. And so it's been a big project. It's taken a lot of time from our family, but it's worth it. I mean, all of the hard work has been worth it to create a space that is really a dream studio, great location, and I'm really excited just to have this space for the next few years and serve a lot of families in this space. So I hope you love what you see. If you have any questions about anything about the studio renovation, whether it's the paint color or the flooring or any questions about opening a studio, feel free to leave them in the comments below. It's been quite a process, but it's definitely been worth it. And I really hope that you enjoy what you see.
I've seen the stars on the ocean, and fields of grass beneath the blue. I've heard the songs of summer singing, like a humming in of June. There's always something around the corner, something more to be found. And I'm sure the coast of California are beautiful right now. And New York sky shines so bright, but to tell you the truth, honey, I just wanna come home to you.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to be on the lookout for new videos being added just about every week. Some things like behind the scenes, shooting with me, how to edit, how to pose your clients, and so much more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 followers before the end of the year. And we'll see you next time.